Hello.
Hello.
Guess what I'm doing?
What are you doing?
Fixing your car.
What's wrong with my car?
Well, if you saw in previous videos, your handle was sticking. It wouldn't close.
Yeah.
So you're just shutting your door.
Yeah, because it would stay stuck on this thing.
So I tackled the WD-40.
Okay.
Because this one here, you know, is moving fine. I got that with penetrating oil.
That's like butter.
That was penetrating oil.
Okay.
And a little bit of PB Blaster PB50.
Nice.
Just getting that in there, spraying there. Make sure it stays nice and lubricated.
Yep.
So this one here, I tackled the WD-40 already. We're getting the PB Blaster going. We're going to get all these mechanisms up in here. And then down there, I don't know if you can see.
I don't know. Kind of, yeah.
Well, that's one we have to get lubricated more. So got this one sprayed out. You can see the rust dripping out.
Yep.
Because yay old cars, yay Canada and salt. We're going to get right into here.
Okay.
And soak it in our penetrating oil. Didn't eat away any of that rust. I wish I had a nozzle, so I'm cheating.
Okay, going to the bottom. And she's gonna shoot upwards, yep.
Soaking everything. Problem is, it's such a bad angle since they don't have a nozzle. Little sprayer hoses. Just trying to drench it until something gives. And we're playing with this. Oh, look at that movement.
Is it still closing?
Oh yeah.
Like a butter?
Thing is, the more I do this,
Yeah.
I love this one so much better than WD-40. Canadian WD-40 sucks.
Oh.
I know you like it. Mighty Car Mods might like it.
Yeah, but they have their own.
I think it's different wherever you go. The formula has to be different. In Canada, it's no longer flammable. And
Really?
Since they changed the formula for it, it doesn't work the same.
Lame.
So now,
PB Blaster lubricant.
so we've got penetrant, we got the PB50. Let's get this all sprayed up, coated nicely.
My car's crying.
Oh, it's dripping. She's coated.
So I'm holding on to the lumens at the same time as trying to film. We had to put the window up with the vice grips.
And I'm trying to. It's a good thing we did because it's awkward.
Yeah.
Because we have the guide right here for the window. The
Yeah.
window's gonna end up greasy. Sorry.
That's okay. I'm taking the window out anyways because I have to take the whole window out to do in one of my videos because we're trying to replace this.
Look at that though. Listen. What that is?
What?
Me opening the handle and it closing automatically.
That's nice.
I'm gonna see if I can find a red nozzle and try to get it in there more accurately, but for now,
Go to the other side and show them.
look at the colors.
Alright, so that was not salvageable at all. It's just too thin. The membrane was just too thin.
Apparently,
we couldn't salvage it.
Apparently heat shrinks it.
Yeah.
Not a good formula.
Yeah. Alright, let's go see how it looks. This is fun.
Besides greasy. Watch, open, close. Wasn't doing that before.
That's some sexy work. And Jen did it all by herself. Thanks, Jen.
You're welcome.
Okay, subscribe. Bye.